Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Nexley Chow, and today I'm gonna give you a studio tour. So sit back and relax. So here we go. Here is my studio. Let's start with the monitor. My DAW is a FL Studio here. This is a LG 27-inch monitor. Here's the studio monitor. These are 3-inch on both sides. And this is my MacBook Pro. And there's some lights and LED lights in the back, and some sound pad on the wall. Here you go. I've been watching a lot of studio tour, and they all have this Alex Joy right here. Very common in YouTube, but they don't have. Here is my M-Audio MIDI keyboard here. I have not seen this in YouTube yet, so let me know what you guys think. Alright, here's my vocal booth, my sound card, sound box, and my studio headset. Here is Audio Technica, and I made just a little beat earlier. Well, if you guys have any questions, just put it on the comment below, and like and subscribe to my video. Alright, thank you. That's it for the tour.